You guys, this looks so freaking amazing.
This looks like Ronald McDonald's cupcake.
So I've been called by some a Muggle, but that is not going to stop me from making these amazing jumbo-sized Harry Potter-inspired sorting hat cupcakes. And because I am not a Potterhead, I had to bring in someone who knows a lot about wizardry. Accio Imperial Loryn Powell!
The spell is just Accio.
That seems like anticlimactic. Accio Loryn Powell! Wow!
Your first spell!
How did I do?
And you didn't, what's it called? Squilch me? Yeah. I didn't get squilched.
I have not read any Harry Potter books, nor have I watched any Harry Potter movies, but I do feel like I love Harry Potter because you've taught me so much.
You're welcome.
And not to mention that I was Hermione in our latest Harry Potter rap video.
You crushed it.
Swish and flick, I'm not your average chick.
I'm so excited. We're actually finally gonna find out what house you are. And it makes me so happy. You took the official Pottermore quiz.
That's what I meant.
And you got officially sorted into a house based on selective IQ questions. So we're gonna make giant sorting cupcakes and we're gonna sort Erin.
For this recipe, you'll need a jumbo cupcake mold, cake mix, eggs, vegetable oil, water, frosting, decorating bags and tips, food coloring, house-colored sprinkles, and caramel candies.
We should dress appropriately for the occasion.
Oh, how do we do that?
Well, let me get my wand. I got one for you too.
Okay, what do I do with this?
I don't know the spell for changing clothes, so we're just gonna go like, look at that! Okay, so you're wearing the Great Hall. Because we don't know what house you're in yet.
So I am a house, is what you're saying.
You are Hogwarts.
Okay, so let's jump into our Harry Potter inspired sorting hat cupcakes. This actually took me 6 hours yesterday to make all of these cakes.
The cupcake struggle is real. I have this tower, these boxes of cake mix, these boxes of cake mix, dead brownies that failed to make the cut. But I do have one beautiful, glorious, solid cupcake. Only 4 or 6 more to go.
And you make this just like you would any cake, except you use 2 boxes of cake. Also, I had to order these special jumbo size molds on Amazon. So once you pour your cake mix into the molds and bake it for about an hour, they pop out just like this. And this is obviously not flat. So we need to carve off this top piece and carve off this piece to make it fit like a little house.
Do we get to eat the extras?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, good.
So you cut the top off like that.
Clean up.
And then you cut this piece off like this. So what we're gonna do now to sort these or make them sortable, we're gonna cut a hole in the middle, just like Loryn taught us on one of those episodes of What the Flavor.
Oh yeah! Do you know what color is what house?
Gryffindor is green.
Wow! Already wrong.
No?
So wrong!
Wait, stop, take it back.
No, you failed,
No.
that's it. We're moving on.
Gryffindor's red.
Yes.
Ravenclaw's blue.
Because you looked at my dress!
No. Hufflepuff is yellow.
Yeah.
What's the other one?
I'm not gonna tell you.
The other one's green.
Yeah, what's it called? It's Slytherin.
Oh, that we don't like Slytherin though, right?
No, shh, don't say that. Don't shame.
I'm not
Do not shame any house.
I'm just learning. I don't know. Okay.
Voldemort was a Slytherin.
Not all Slytherins are bad.
No, Snape was Slytherin and he was a really good character.
That's true.
Since we don't have a true cupcake core, just use a knife.
Okay.
We want to fill the area right about here, but leave like an inch so that it still has the structure.
Okay.
But when you cut into it, all the sorting goodness will spill out.
Okay, how deep do we go?
1.5 inches deep and 1.5 inches from, and you'll just kind of go like this in a little circle. And then you kind of have to get in there and like cut out the bottom a little bit. So we're gonna save this bad boy. We need him. I would smush it down a little bit. Really make it so the only thing that
Cavernous?
spills out, make it cavernous, yes.
Is that a Harry Potter word?
No, it's just a word.
All right, on to our next cake.
Did you eat your hat? Or is that the middle? We need the hat, so we're gonna cut off your heads like a 1/2 inch.
Okay.
Of the flat. We want the flat part, so be very careful. Yeah, there you go.
So now we fill these bad boys up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo! Okay. Don't fill it all the way up because we have to put the lids on. So don't do what I just did. This would be really cute to do for like a gender reveal.
Ooh.
You know?
I should pin that to my Pinterest board.
You could sort your baby before he's even born.
Oh my gosh, that's what I want to do.
Oh God. This is how we die. Okay. No, not too much. That's good. now let's put the tops on.
Okay.
I probably should have remembered what went with what, but that's fine. Okay, so we put those in. So now we need to seal this to that.
Okay, how do we do that?
So we should have icing that already matches the sorting hat. We should have blue, red, yellow, and green. Okay? So take your bag out.
Okay.
Okay, so then squeeze it all the way to the, get it like that, you know? Good? Did you just see what that just did? I didn't. What'd it do?
It was R-rated.
All right, so we're gonna snip the tip, like, that's pretty good. Keep it around here, because you don't want the icing to flow over and then ruin the surprise.
Ruin the surprise.
Be conservative with it.
Oh, it's Slytherin. It's like a snake.
Yeah, look at that.
I know things!
I said be careful!
Oh, crap! I'm gonna do a different strategy this time.
Maybe like one that works?
I'm gonna make like a daffodil.
Okay. No one's gonna see this.
I know, but I'll know it's there.
All right, let's put the lids on.
Okay.
Make sure your green doesn't
this
squirt
is gonna
out.
Be too much.
You think?
All right, let's do this.
Okay.
Can you see what I got packing in there?
All right, let's clean. Wait, we're wizards. Okay, ready? Just a swish.
Ignitio.
No, setting us on fire.
Wipe-yo.
Since we're actually gonna sort you, we need to switch these up so you don't know what's what.
Like a magician.
Like a wizard.
Yeah.
Okay, turn around.
You must be under the Imperious curse.
Okay,
Okay, ready?
ready.
Okay, so now we icing the top. So we have homemade, by the way, buttercream frosting. I'm just gonna swirl mine. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Trying to get the hang of it.
Are you?
I never decorated cupcakes as a child.
Oh my God, Erin!
Loryn, I'm not as good as you.
Why don't we do this? Careful. Okay, no. No.
I got it.
Okay.
Loryn, why is yours so good? Get out of here. I think I should be doing your technique. Should I do that here?
You wanna try it?
Just little balls?
No, this is mine!
Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's cute.
All right, where's the spatula?
Watch this. Here, let me help you.
All right.
Ooh.
It's not spinning perfectly.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I'm exhausted. I don't know about you.
You did such a good job.
I just really am not an artistic person, and you clearly are gifted.
In college, I didn't gain the freshman 15, I gained the freshman 40 in like 2 months.
That's comfy.
So when I would come home from college, my mom once found behind my computer an empty canister of frosting that I was just eating by the spoonful.
Oh, that's troubling.
Yeah. So what do you have to decorate these with?
Sprinkles.
Cute!
Traditional. But I also have little lightning bolt sprinkles here.
So
Do you see
fun.
those?
And why do you have lightning bolts, Erin?
Harry has a lightning bolt scar on his face.
Do you know why?
He got bitch slapped. Okay, and also I got some big lightning bolt pieces too. Does it look like Harry's?
Can we glue one to your head? Wait.
Does this look stupid?
You're concerned about something looking stupid? That doesn't sound like you.
That's so cute! Okay. The one thing that I do love about these sprinkles though, are you ready?
Yeah.
These are Rosanna Pansino sprinkles, guys.
Of course they are.
And I was on the hunt for Harry Potter sprinkles and she was the only thing that was out there. So Rosanna, you're our queen.
Gotta get her on the show. The one thing we're missing is like, they're sorting hat cupcakes. Shouldn't there be some sort of sorting hat?
Yes.
Topper?
Thank you. Yes, I'm so glad you're
I can't focus.
Is it too cute?
It's adorable.
I decided we should make our own sorting hats to go on our sorting hat cupcakes.
Okay.
Because you can't sort without the hat, right? That doesn't feel right. So get some chewy caramels that your grandma keeps stored in like her purse. Warm them up in your hands and use them like Play-Doh. And then after a long time and some creative
Did you do
skill, yes, of course I did that.
this? I don't believe it. Oh no!
And then you take a toothpick and carve out little faces, all the different moods and personalities.
Cute. Ish.
We don't have a lot of these, so I gotta be really sparing with them. Oh my gosh, it looks like a thunderstorm.
Yeah. What do we think about this?
You are wasting our precious
Oh, I'm wasting? Am I wasting, Erin?
The lightning bolts are more expensive. All right, I'm feeling good about mine.
I feel really good about both of these.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this in a little toothpick. It's so cute! Was this the one that was on your forehead? Yeah, I see an eyebrow here. This looks really good, Erin.
I know.
It looks like a big old birthday cake.
It is. It's a sorting birthday cake. You guys, this looks so freaking amazing.
This looks like a Ronald McDonald's cupcake.
Well, that was a journey that we just went through together.
Yes.
So the sorting hat is how we are going to decide what house we are today on this episode. But earlier today, Loryn gave me the official Pottermore quiz, and she knows what house I'm in.
I do, and we're gonna find out if the cupcakes are right. Okay, so close your eyes. I'm gonna rearrange these, and we're gonna let your wand decide which cupcake we're gonna open first.
Okay,
to
got it.
Sort you. Okay, turn around, close your eyes.
Okay, let me just feel it out. I'm feeling more here. Let me let the wand decide. That's it.
Perfect, great.
Oh, it's not the pretty one, is it?
It's beautiful.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Oh crap, I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm not gonna look.
Don't look.
Try not to look.
Don't look at the knife.
I'm not looking at the knife. All right,
Okay.
ready?
Woo! Gryffindor!
I'm a Gryffindor!
You're not a Gryffindor.
I'm not?
No, Gryffindors are brave, Erin.
Well, I am brave. Have you watched this show?
Your answers did not lead you to Gryffindor. I don't think this is right. I think we gotta keep cutting.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Maybe this one will be the one.
Moment of truth. Ooh.
It's Slytherin.
You're not a Slytherin! Okay.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna be really upset if this is also not my house. Okay.
It's your house! You are such a Hufflepuff. You don't even know.
What does that mean?
Hufflepuff traits. Loyal.
Mm-hmm.
Patient.
I'm on a show with you right now. So
Fair.
yes.
Hardworking.
Uh-huh.
Well, and true. You are so Hufflepuff, you don't even believe it. Okay, we gotta change your dress to the right house, okay?
We do.
One more thing, here we go. That's not your wand.
Here I go into Hufflepuff land.
3, 2, 1. Ah! Do you feel more yourself now?
I do. I feel like a little bit more comfortable in this dress. I don't know what it is. I think it's just the color yellow that makes it feel more
just a bigger
like
size.
me. This was so fun though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this down before I cause any kind of weird spell. I don't know if you saw the gadget episode with Loryn, but you can literally do the same thing with small cupcakes using the cupcake core that we used in that previous episode, or you can just get these big old jumbo cakes if you want to.
Yep.
If you're a Hufflepuff, reunite in the comments. Let's be friends.
Oh, Puff Pride's what it's called.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute. If you have Puff Pride, like this video, and also if you have Puff Pride, you should subscribe to this channel because we want to do more Harry Potter stuff.
Yeah.
And let us know what we should do next time.
Bye.
Bye, I guess.
If you want even more, click somewhere over here, because there's another video waiting for you that is probably really good. It is really good. I'm not saying probably. Anyway, then subscribe, because that would be nice and we would really appreciate it. And also subscribe, but then also hit the bell. I know it's a lot, but like, you love us, right? Please just click it.